Are you tired of missing out on meme coins and altcoins that 100x month in and month out because you don't have the information? Well, in this video, we're going to be discussing 2 meme coins that are set to explode for the month of June so that you will be ahead of the game and ready to buy. Let's get into it. All right, guys, now that we are looking at the info, let's look at the 2 coins that I'm going to be talking about. One, which is not released yet, that could possibly get released next month, which would make you a millionaire if you got in on it early. All right, so with that being said, we're going to talk about that coin first, which is the Kangamoon. This is a little insight, little article about it and what it has done so far with just the pre-sale. All right, it says Kangamoon Kang transcends the traditional meme coin stigma by establishing a robust ecosystem with a valuable token utility. The innovative approach has fueled a 400% price surge and has appealed to a dedicated community of over 20,000 strong users. Kangamoon distinguishes itself through a seamless integration of a play-to-earn mechanics. All right, so it's just a little bit about it, and it says by incentivizing a social media engagement with free Kang token rewards, users are empowered to be an active community members. This establishes a relationship that organically fuels the project's growth, as it now has a passionate and vocal online presence. The project has raised over 6.8 million and will soon pass the 8 million mark, as Bitmart announced that it would list Kang. Moreover, it's up from 0.005 cents to 0.025 cents during the pre-sale. And it says analysts predict a further 5,000% increase upon launch and future exchange listings. So you can see the big wigs, the whales, the stock analysts have high hopes for the stocks, and you should too. This thing is set to take off to the moon when it releases. You know me, I like to give, chart analysis, but with this, we obviously can't because it hasn't dropped yet. All right, so there's Kangamoon. Be on the lookout for it to drop really, really soon. All right, and with the next one, obviously, I put a lot of videos out on this because it just doesn't stop growing. This thing just literally keeps going up and up and up. All right, so we are talking about the frog coin, PEPE coin. All right, so it says PEPE coin, a top meme coin gaining significant traction, has seen a remarkable surge in value over the past year. This impressive growth continues with a further 20% gain recorded on the 7-day chart. And this was just put out literally yesterday. This article was. It says, Moreso, on May 14th, PEPE coin reached a new all-time high, solidifying its impressive trajectory. Analysts attribute this surge to the recent increase in PEPE coin whale activity, which means a lot of the big buyers, have been interested in putting their money into this meme coin. So why would you not do the same thing if you can see all these people putting thousands and millions of dollars in these things and making a lot of money? That should say something about this coin and the potential that it has. All right, it says Lock On Chain, a blockchain analytics platform, has reported that over 4 whale transactions worth of billions were made over the week, indicating strong investor interest in the coin. Furthermore, the technical analysis of the PEPE coin shows bullish signs with 24-hour technical indicators, or 24 technical indicators flashing buy signals. Currently trading at 0.00001185 cents, PEPE coin's strong performance has experts foreseeing new highs. They predict the meme coin will reach 0.0025 cents within the second quarter of 2024, which we're coming up on. Let's look at the chart. All right. I love to break this down for you guys in very simple terms in case you're not familiar with looking at charts so that you can understand it a little bit better. So we're looking at a higher time frame. As you can see right here, we're on TradingView looking at a 4-hour time frame. And I always start out by drawing some support and resistance. So we'll plot a horizontal line. We can see we have some right here, about right in there. We have some support, and we have some resistance right here. Beautiful. All right. We do have some right. There is some right there. It's not the strongest. All right. And then we're gonna see what's really firing this. That's trend lines and supply and demand. Let's look at trend line right here. This is very. I mean, you don't even have to really draw it. You can clearly see it where it's at. It's about right in there. You can see every time price comes to that line, it skyrockets. All right. So what you're looking at right now is a simple but dangerous uptrend that is pumping with a lot of velocity, going higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then to the moon, which it's at right now, breaking this recent all-time high. But I'm going to show you guys where you should be looking to buy this coin. I wouldn't buy it right now. That's why I put this out and said June. You're going to wait a little bit, because if you buy right now, you might get put in a down pool where you are losing a lot of money. So how are we going to figure out where you should buy? Simple. We're going to look at some support and resistance. All right. I meant support and resistance and supply and demand. So let's pull this out. So we have some strong supply and demand right here, along with some strong supply and demand right here. These are your key levels to be buying. What we want and what we are looking for is for the price of this coin to come down into these areas and continue to push up, or this area to continue to push up. If it was me, I would wait for the coin to come down in this area. You could take it right here, but you're taking a risk on it coming down to the stronger area where it started the initial move that broke this recent higher high. Because the way the market moves is simple supply and demand, with the whales that move the markets with the banks. All right? So don't be in too much of a hurry, but be ready, because this thing could, where it's at, it could keep going higher, but it will come back down. That is something I can guarantee you 100%. This coin will come back down before it keeps going up. It has to. It's healthy, and it's something everything does in the market. Stocks, cryptos, all of them. They all do this right before they're about to take off to the moon. All right? So with that being said, wait for it to make a pullback into these zones that I indicated for you before you take off and put all your money in there. All right? And that's basically the 2 meme coins I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Peace.